Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now click on security section over here, tap on app lock and choose enable. After that, you need to tap on one of those options, lock screen password or custom PIN. Lock screen password is your current screen lock, so I will go with custom PIN. Now you need to enter it and then repeat it in order to confirm it. After that, you need to answer this security question, but if you don't like it, you can always click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, you can always click on the question, choose custom question instead and create your own. Then click on OK, type in an answer, and choose Finish. Finally, you can tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. I will go with, maybe Chrome. So now when I tap on the Home button and try to access Chrome app, as you can see, PIN is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!